We're going to go through how to calculate federal income tax and what you would pay in taxes. Now, this is specifically done with a single table, so like single filing. If you were to do this with someone filing as married, then you would just want to use the table that goes with the married filing jointly group. So let's say, for example, we have Rose is single, and she has a gross income of $83,000. So we want to find out how much is being paid in income tax. So first thing we're going to do is step 1. I'm going to use this table on the bottom half. Taxable is to find the taxable income, which is your gross income minus the standard deduction. Well, we were told from this example the gross income is $83,000. The standard deduction will say somewhere in the problem. So this one says standard deduction is $14,600. And we're going to go ahead and subtract those. So 83,000 minus 14,600, and we get $68,400. So that's how much is the taxable income. That's what we're going to calculate the tax off of. So now we're going to go to the table and see which bracket line does this fit in. So we are looking for 68,400 in this column of the table. So I can see that it fits in that third line of my table. And what we're going to do is we are just going to fill in the blanks for this part in the right column. So the tax owed is going to be $5,426 plus 22% of the amount over $47,150. So first, once we have that, we need to find the amount of income over what we just stated. So that's going to be the amount of income over $47,150. And to do this, we're going to take our taxable minus this number of whatever you get. So for us, that would be 68,400. And we're going to subtract the number we just filled in on this line, 4,150. So subtract 47,150. We get 21,250. And now we need to find 22% of that amount. Once again, that's coming from this bracket that tells us what percent. So we need to find 22% of the number that we just calculated. Which is going to be 4,675. And now to find the total, we're going to go back to this line from 2. So we're going to take this amount, and then we already found what 22% of the amount over this was. We found it here. So we're going to go 5,426 plus 4,675. And I get $10,101. And that is the amount that will be paid in taxes.